Hello guys, I'm Anonymous again. Last time we did this butterfly knife with Lego, and today I'm gonna show you how to make tricks with this. It's kind of simple. Maybe you're thinking this is a very hard move, but it isn't. Fuck. It is a very simple move. So you must throw this something like this and you catch it. And after that again. Okay, a simple move is this one. This one. Okay. You must throw it and after that do this with your big finger and you catch it like that, and after that you throw it like this and you catch it on this one. And another one, the last one. I'm doing this with the left, so oh yeah, let's drop. I gamed here so because I'm a righty, or I don't know. I'm not a lefty, so yeah. It's stuck. Okay, I did it. It's a bit harder because I'm a starter too. Come on! So you must throw it and hold it like this when catch, and you must catch it. And after that, you must throw this one and catch it back. Gosh. My big finger, it's not really helping me now. Oh, I did it! Yes, it's very simple till you catch the move. Today, okay, I'm gonna do this again. So you must throw it and roll it on your finger and catch it like this. After that, you did this and you must roll it and catch it, roll it and catch it. Actually, it's a pretty simple move and it's very cool, you see? It's it's like I don't know how to say it in English because I'm not from a country where I speak English and I know how to talk English very good. Hypnose. It's hypnotizing you. Anyway, this is the move. This is another move. You just throw it like this and you catch it here. And believe me, if you throw this and the black one is not going with this, don't be scared because the black one will automatically leave because this one is pushing the black one. I mean the blade. And this is it. Here are 3 simple moves. And I want to show you something. Okay, this one. Okay, and I catch it like this. You saw that? So from this one, I catch it like this one, but with the help of ledge drop. And don't forget to leave a like, a subscribe, to comment, and to share. I was Anonymous, and some numbers. I don't remember those numbers right now. Yeah, this was 3 or 4. I didn't remember how much was them. Some moves really easy on a Lego butterfly knife, but these moves are working on a real butterfly knife too. But I'm a children, so I can't use a real one. Oh my god, this is obsessive for me. it. Ha. Yes. This was it. Leave a subscribe, like, share, and this kind of stuff. It's free. Butterfly knife, and yeah. Bye bye and bye.